Are you a veteran? Are you looking to use your VA eligibility on your next purchase with a VA construction loan?
Hi, I'm Jerry here with Beaufort Lending, the construction expert.
And I'm Benji Gecy, your broker with Beaufort Lending. Hey, the last few years, construction lending has gotten hot, and the VA is one of the best ones on the market for construction, and not many veterans know that the VA offers construction lending financing.
Right.
We've come up with 5 tips for the veterans there. Jerry, tell us number 1.
No payments during construction on this program.
The most important feature of the VA construction program, the veteran does not make payments. The VA doesn't allow it, but somebody's got to make the payments. Who makes payments, Jerry?
The builder, he wrote it into the contract, but the builder does make the payments during construction.
So when you're hiring your builder, let them know that they do have to make the payments during construction. There are most VA approved builders. They already know this, so don't worry about that, veterans. Number 2, Jerry.
100% financing.
100% financing. Veterans, you deserve it, but what you can do with that on the construction is you can acquire the lot. You can fund all of the construction. Then what else do we have on top of that with the construction, Jerry?
5% contingency.
What is a contingency? The contingency means that if you go over construction, the VA is going to give you extra money built into the closing for those extra costs. And Jerry, it always goes over.
It's going over.
So 300,000, 5% is 15,000. You got some extra money there where you don't have to come out of pocket to fund those unnecessary costs or extra costs you weren't expecting there. How about number 3, Jerry?
580 credit score, down to a 580 on this program.
580, that doesn't mean that if you have a 580 credit score, you're going to get the loan. You have to get an approved eligible with the VA. That's real important. Electronic finding, there is no manual underwrites with us on a VA construction loan. So Beaufort Lending does underwrite to the VA handbook. It says you can go down to 580, but most of the ones we've seen have been north of 620 with that electronic approval.
Right.
Then number 4, Jerry.
Number 4 is a one-time float down at the end of construction for the rate.
What is a float down option? Probably never heard that before, but VA construction loans are riskier than your purchase or refinance. That rate is higher. So don't expect your purchase or refinance rate when you're doing these construction loans. They're about 0.5% higher than the going VA rate, but what they do offer is if rates have dropped, they will roll it over and reset to 0.75% lower. So if you rate 7% on construction, rates are lower, it can go down to 6.25. If rates are higher, it is a 30-year fix. It will not go higher. Right. So float down option is a great feature. Not every lender offers a float down option. Jerry, number 5.
Number 5, not every lender offers this program.
VA construction loans, they're hard to do. Not every lender, credit union, bank, they don't do these loans. Beaufort Lending, we've been doing them for a long time. We're the experts. So on your next purchase, if you want to build, give the experts over at Beaufort Lending a call. We want to be your VA broker.